Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is January the 7th, 2019, so I thought I would share with you a 1-week update of how I'm getting along with my 2 A5 journals that are housed in this Lacao artist journal cover. So the first thing I have in here is the Midori MD notebook, and this is the monthly version with the note paper in the back. I'm really liking this simple notebook. I'm using this mainly for YouTube, I will say, for YouTube. And I don't know if you remember in my previous video where I had that flap or that piece of paper where I had all the lists of the videos that I filmed and the videos that I want to film. I've scrapped that piece of paper, and I want to thank you to those that left me some nice recommendations. I ended up actually just writing it on the bottom here because there's a huge space. Let me show you a blank page. There's a huge space right here on the bottom that I can write that list. And because I'm not filming too much, maybe 1 to 2 videos a week, this is all that I need. If I need more space to write, I have a huge space here as well as on the side. So yes, that paper is now gone. Yes, and I've just wrote all the videos and things down below here. I just have an ollie clipped so that I can go directly to the month quickly. And yes, I'm really liking, I don't know, for me, I need a monthly snapshot of the videos so that I can see if I have gaps in between videos. If I do a video here on a Wednesday and then my next one would be like on a 20th, that would be like a huge gap. And I can't visualize that if I just have it listed on a piece of paper. I need a monthly snapshot. So this first week I uploaded 2 videos, and it's really easy to see these little triangle things that look like the YouTube play. I use the Hobonichi Techo stencil, and I just use the triangle one right there. And then I just rotate it to the side, and then I color it in. In the front pocket, I just have some washi samples, and this is what I use to note the uploaded video. This is from Stella G. Actually, this one and these stickers and this notebook was from the Stationery Selection subscription box. So I'm really liking this simple setup for my YouTube videos. I was going to integrate maybe Instagram in here, but I want to really concentrate one thing at a time. I want to give this a shot, and it's going well so far. It's only been 1 week, so I'm really liking this for that. And it has, like I said, a lot of paper on the back, making sure that I have spots for notes and things. So there's that. Then moving forward to my Hobonichi Techo 2019 in the cousin size, I purchased in the avec, which means it's from January to June only. Oh my goodness, I really like this. I don't know why I was so afraid of this cousin size. It is intimidating because I've been in the A6 for several years now, but I really like it. I really like the cousin. So the first several pages are 3 months on a page, and I'm not really utilizing these pages yet. The monthly pages here, I have decided to quickly write down the Hobonichi Techo hashtag, Hobonichi challenge hashtag, the topics there. And I've decided to use this as like a catch-all for Happy Mail. So I received some Happy Mail from Petra, and I stuck that in there. And I like this because I can refer back to here for the Hobonichi challenge, which I want to really continue with. So I've decided to do that for the monthly view. And then the weekly view. I like this weekly view, and I was thinking maybe I should do my work stuff in here as well, but I initially told myself I really want to keep the work and my personal stuff separate. I don't want to look in my planner and always have on the back of my mind, okay, I have to do this for work, I have to do that for work. So I really want to keep it separate. When I'm playing or when I'm having fun in this journal, I don't want to look at work stuff. So I decided to keep it separate. So this weekly, I really like this because if you remember, I was doing this kind of thing in my weekly traveler's notebook, the weekly, what would you call it, like the daily snippets. So yes, it's the same format. It's a week on 2 pages, and I would just stamp things here and there. I would add stickers. I would write a snippet a day, and yes, so I can now do this in my Hobonichi cousin, which I am really, really glad. Yes, I'm really glad that I am able to do that. Sometimes I really don't have a lot of time, so I just write a couple of sentences reminding me of what I did or how I felt or something that happened for my, something that my kids did or, but yeah, so now I can transfer this fun layout in my Hobonichi Techo and everything will be in my Hobonichi Techo cousin. So I'm just quickly flipping through because I don't think I've showed everything, but near the end here I kind of fell off. I didn't want to continue. I just wasn't grabbing it for some reason. But anyways, so now this I can still do and have fun in my Hobonichi cousin, which I'm really glad. So I was doing that here. I was writing in columns, and then near on the weekend here, I decided, oh, I used to do this in my traveler's notebook, so I'm going to start doing that again. I tell myself if I start writing in this column, that means it happened on this day. So I started writing on the 6th here. So that means this entry is from the 6th. And in this one, for this example, I started writing on the 5th. So this writing pertains to this day. I don't know if that makes sense. It's just how my mind works, I guess. So just adding some stickers and washi and things like that. And this is today. I think one day I will kind of take all of my stamps and stamp in advance and decorate in advance. And that was really helpful when I was documenting in here, is that I would, have little stickers and washi tape already laid out, and all I had to do was write. So I think I might continue to do that if I have some downtime, or from watching TV or something. Just, sticking a strip of washi tape or stamping some pages here and there would be really helpful. Okay, so now moving on to the daily pages. I wrote down the omikuji, the Techo Omikuji 2019, and somebody posted it on the Hobonichi Techo group in the Facebook group, and if I can find the link, I will post it down below, but it's in the English version, and it draws like a special kanji for you for the year, and the kanji that I got was challenge. Actually, how do you say this in Japanese? I'm not exactly sure, but this is challenge, and I just wrote out what the writing was for this word. So I thought I would share with you, instead of just flipping through my pages, I thought I would share with you 5 things that I've been enjoying in my Hobonichi cousin. The first thing is kanji. So this is really, really fitting because I need to challenge myself with Japanese. I've been here for several years now and my Japanese is just horrible. So on this first day, you can see I did some Japanese writing, Happy New Year. I've been looking at the quotes on the bottom and seeing like if I notice a kanji that's interesting or I don't really recognize, I will try and look it up, and I will write down the definition as well as an example sentence. On the other day, I used the same kanji again and I made my own sentence, so I just kind of burning it into my brain, I suppose. And there's another kanji there, and just making more sentences to help me ingrain the kanji into my brain. And then the second thing is the Hobonichi challenge. I've been enjoying the Hobonichi challenge. Like I mentioned, I have the prompt list. I've written it out in my monthly view. If you're interested in participating, just check out the hashtag Hobonichi challenge, and it's up on Instagram as well as in the Facebook group. So on this day, it's the piggy bank. This day, it's red envelopes. It's called otoshidama in Japanese. This day it was dumplings. This day, a cup of coffee. And this is actually just a sticker from Eva that I've put down. So you don't have to necessarily draw. You can also write about the prompt. This is some washi tape as well. This day is about my favorite pen, which is the Pilot Pereira. Day number 6 is my hero, and I just kind of wrote about it there, and I covered it up with my kids. So the third thing I'm really enjoying about the Hobonichi Techo in the cousin size is that it has a lot of space for stickers and washi tape. And I don't know, maybe it was the fact that there are English quotes on the bottom. Sometimes I didn't feel comfortable like covering it up, and then yeah, it just made the space a lot smaller. But I don't know, with the cousin, because the quotes are in Japanese, I really don't feel bad covering it up because I don't even know what it says. I know that sounds kind of bad, but it just allows for more space to, you know, stick down stickers and washi tape. The fourth thing that I'm really enjoying about the cousin is that I have open space for small little quotes and affirmations, I suppose, or things that encourage me. If I don't have a lot to write about or a lot of things to draw, there's enough space that I can just quickly write something small and short. So I've been really enjoying that. And then the last thing I really enjoy about the size is that I can stick Happy Mail bits in here. It's not, you know, it's double the size of this. So if I were to get some Happy Mail bits, like for example, this I can stick in here and there's a whole bunch of space. Whereas if I were to stick this in the A6 size, it would take up quite a bit of room. And I don't know, I'm just really enjoying this. I don't know why I waited so long, and maybe I'm just enjoying it because I had more time during the holidays to kind of have fun. I hope I can continue. I really, really hope I continue, and it's just been a lot of fun. And I just wanted to, I don't know, update you on how things are going. And like you can see here, I'm already sticking down washi tape and stickers and things like that to prepare myself in advance. And then in the back pocket here, I just have some stickers. These are actually from the Hobonichi Techo, and then this was from some Happy Mail. And then in the back here, back pocket, I have ephemera bits and some Happy Mail bits that I want to use in my pages. So similarly, like I mentioned, all these Happy Mail bits are nice, and like I can easily tip them into these pages, and there's plenty of room to write. If I were to stick them in here, it takes up too much space. So that's it. I've been really enjoying my journals for 2019. I know it's only been a week, but I've been really, really having fun in the Hobonichi Techo, and just, I don't know. Have you started a new notebook in 2019? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Leave a comment down below. But yeah, I hope to maybe do a flip through eventually, maybe in a month's time, just to show you how far I went. Hopefully I can actually show you a full month. That would be my ideal goal. But yes, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments or questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.